GooGoo and GaaGaa's surprise box. Hey there, GooGoo. Hey there, GaaGaa. I see you're painting outside. Oh, is that our surprise box? What do you think is inside? A puppy.
Wow.
Do you want to say hello? It's okay. Don't be scared. Oh, I think she likes you. Are you playing tag? Great job, guys. Try to catch her. Oh, what's that? An orange frisbee. Wow. That was an amazing throw. Oh, I think someone is getting tired. What a magical day. Full of surprises. Now it's time to rest and watch the sunset with our new friend. What would be in the box next time?
BabyFirst, click the subscribe button below.